Have you guys ever wondered why bartenders use this little fine mesh strainer? Does it really make a difference? Well, the answer is it depends. It depends what you're trying to do. What this strainer does is it catches any of the ice chips from when you shake something that's gonna go into a martini glass. Also, if you're muddling things, for example, if you're doing a spicy margarita and you're muddling jalapeno in here, it's gonna catch all of the seeds that you may not want in your drink. And so it really comes down to what mouthfeel you want on the drink. Some people, they like ice chips on their really cold, extra dirty martini, and that fits that type of cocktail. It adds a nice little element to it because you have the ice chips floating at the top. For other drinks, it may take away from it. And so when you see somebody using a fine strainer, it's that little detail that elevates the whole cocktail experience. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna shake both of these up. We've got some vodka in here, and I'm gonna show you guys really the difference in how many ice chips come out whenever you're actually shaking a martini. So check it out. All right, we shook those really good. So I'm gonna show you guys the first one that we're gonna do without using the fine mesh strainer. All right, and already, if you look at the very, very top, you see some tiny, tiny little shards of ice floating around. And now we're gonna do it with the actual fine mesh strainer. And we're gonna see the difference. So you can see when it settles, how it's just a clear, silky liquid. And if you look closely in here, you have all of the ice shards that it caught. Does it really make that big of a difference? I think it does. I think it adds to the overall experience of a cocktail, and it helps to really elevate what it is that you're trying to do, because a lot of times the small details are what make a huge difference.